Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you guys are being productive. If you see my face for the very first time, I am Susanita Afe. You guys, I am just here to tell you guys about some of the best dating apps you can use in Germany. I am in a group on Facebook, and somebody asked a question. She was asking, she just moved to Germany and she's single and she wants to know where to meet people. And a lot of people were commenting like, "Oh, do this, do that," and she was like, she's not a outgoing type. Yeah, I can't remember what she said, but she's not the type that goes out. Like she's more like of an introvert and she doesn't really like going out, but she still wants to meet people. Like of course she wants to find a man. So she was asking if people can recommend some of the online dating apps that they use in Germany. And yeah, so I decided to like record this video to tell anyone who's searching, you want to like meet people online if you're not really good with the language and you also want to meet people. So yeah, these are some of my own personal ones that I have tried, and I would just suggest you try them. But really, online dating is something that I would use with a grain of salt. The same way you take things with grain of salt, use online dating with a grain of salt. Just try to go out, even if you're not the type that goes out. But try, just try. You never know. Maybe you could find your partner in the train. You could find your partner maybe in the elevator. You never know. So or in the supermarket. So you never know. Don't just stick solely on online dating. But then still, you can also try online dating. People have met their husbands, wives from online. So do both, okay? Go out, do online dating if you like. Okay, now let me tell you guys the first dating app, like everybody know today, which I don't like, really, I don't like is I'm not even using it because I think it's just booty call. That's what is going on there, and that's Tinder. Okay, if you want to try dating online, it's Tinder. But listen, I don't even use Tinder because seriously, I used it for a few months and I kind of realized that no. You cannot tell me that 50 people, 100 people, they just want you to like suck their thing, or they just want to suck your thing. So I just uninstalled the shit and I left it. But you can try. You never know. I saw a video of a lady on YouTube who said she met her husband on Tinder. So you can try that out. The second good dating app that I would recommend if you are in Germany or anywhere else in the world, you can try using Bumble. Bumble is also something that you meet people, but you meet all kinds of people. If you've not seen my video where I've talked about online like dating online, you might want to watch that video. Just check it out and decide for yourself if you want to do the online thing or you want to go out. But if you're in Germany, like I said, this video is just for people that are in Germany specifically. If you want to try online dating, because over here you tend to meet people more often online than in reality. Yeah, so the next one, Bumble. You can try that. And the third dating app I would recommend is it Badu? Badu. Yeah, I think it's Badu they call it. Badu. So you can try Badu. But you guys, Badu, honestly, when I was using that app, my goodness, I was like, should I say this? Okay, let me just say this, you guys. I was wondering when I saw the advert of the app, when I saw it, I was so excited. I was like, okay, okay. But when I downloaded the app and I started swiping, I'm like seriously now, where are the men you guys used to do the adverts? Where are the men that you used to do the adverts? Where are they? Are you serious? I just quickly uninstalled the stuff because I couldn't stand what I was seeing, so I just uninstalled the stuff. But anyways, if you want to try, you never know. They say one man's meat is another man's poison, so you can try that out. And also the next one is coffee meets bagel. Coffee meets bagel. Is it bagel or bagel? I think it's coffee meets bagel. So you can try that out. And I wish you all the best of luck. Like I said, don't just slice yourself to only online dating because you don't like going out. Listen, sis, you need to go out. Even if you don't like going to the gym, just register in the gym and go for just do your tread. Is it treadmill they call it? Just You don't have to lift weights. Just do some mini exercise. Go to the gym once or twice in a week. You could meet people at the gym. You could meet people at the supermarket. Don't just like limit yourself only to online dating, because my experience so far, I would not say it has been fruitful, but it has also not been 100% useless, because I've met some kind of nice and interesting people over there. But anything like really tangible, I wouldn't say I have met so far. But yeah, don't just limit yourself to online dating. Use it, but go out and put yourself out there. And if peradventure somewhere in the future you find your Mr. Right or your soulmate from one of these dating app that I have mentioned, yeah, feel free to come back and give your testimony down in the comment section to encourage other people or to motivate other people that are giving up on themselves, giving up on dating. Don't give up, okay? Don't give up. The same way you are good, the same way you are a nice person, the same way you have the intention of settling down or getting married or having kids, or the same way you have that intention, that is the same way the one for you also has that same intention somewhere else. But one way or the other, you guys have to meet to be able to like form a pair. Okay, so don't just give up on dating. It breaks my heart sometimes when people are like, I am so sick and tired of dating. I'm not going to date anymore. I'm not going to go out. I'm just going to sit 247 in my pajamas and do nothing. Come on, now, sis. Come on. Hmm? When Boaz found Ruth, she was busy. She was doing something. She was out of the house. Is it Ruth or Naomi? Now I'm confused, you guys. But you know the story, okay? You know the story. Okay, all I'm just trying to say is that, like, just do something. Like, go out, take a walk. If you're not a person that likes going to the gym, like, do some exercises. Do some exercises, okay? Go, just jog a little. Your soulmate may be your next door neighbor, but if you don't come out of the house, how is he going to see you? How is she going to see you? Hmm? Just go out. Just walk around. If you don't like to jog, I personally, guys, you guys, I hate jogging, but I just walk. Sometimes I just take 30 minutes walk, like, not like I'm walking with the mind of, oh, okay, now I'm walking, I'm trying to sell myself for a man to see me. No, but I just enjoy the breeze, I enjoy the fresh air, I exercise my legs, and I just go and come. Don't just put that at the back of your mind. Okay, now Susanita said I should take a walk. Now I'm taking a walk, and then you'll be looking at all the numbers of the house, trying to like screen which one are there, which one have single men in them. Or no, don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Hmm? I remember one time I went out with a friend of mine, and you guys, that day was, it was fun. It was fun, but like we went out and I can't really, I don't know, but during the course of the conversation, we started talking and we were like, how come nobody is talking to us? And then I told her, I was like, sis, listen, if we are going to sit here and question ourselves and ask ourselves why men are not talking to us, today is going to be the worst day ever of our lives. So let's just have fun. Let's gist. Tell me about stuff that has happened in your past before. Tell me about stuff. So she started telling me about her past and all that. And you guys, we had the blast of the evening. So instead of we complaining that, oh, we came out and nobody's even saying hello, we are out of our comfort zone and nobody's saying hello, instead of being bored and questioning ourselves, we had fun. We started talking, we started laughing, we're just gisting. And before you know it, you need to see people coming around to ask for our numbers. We were even the ones that were selecting and say, no, no, hi, but bye. We were the ones that were selecting. But whilst we were sitting there and being like, look at that one, look at this one, look at that one, we're trying to eye men, they were not even looking at us. But when we didn't even care if they existed, if they were there, we were just chatting and enjoying ourselves, they started coming. And that is how it is in life. When you get busy and then you're doing your thing, you don't just wear the sad mood. I am single. I am single. You don't just wear that mood all around you, like all over you, and then you go out to work looking all sad and pale. You don't do that. You are busy. Your energy is out there. You're going to see that people are going to notice you. Men are going to notice you, okay? Don't just sit down and wear pajamas 247 and looking all like a clown and expect someone to like meet you. No, I think if you are looking for a very sexy, nice, and classy man, you yourself, you also have to be able to like step up to the classiness of that man that you're looking for. Because I think classy men are also looking for classy women. You're not going to expect a classy man to come and be looking at you inside your pajamas when you've not even brushed your teeth. You've not, like, when I mean teeth, you mean I'm not talking about this, I'm talking about this. You don't even, like, you are not brushing your teeth nicely, and then you are expecting a man that is going to the gym 247 to come and say hello to you. My dear, come on now. That cute, nice, handsome man that you're looking for is also looking for a cute, nice woman. So you yourself try and brush up yourself, come out of that pajamas, take your shower, brush your teeth, get some perfume, get some deodorant, get some roll on, polish yourself small. You don't have to wear makeup. You don't have to wear wigs if you don't like. Like, you can rock your natural hair, but bath up. Like in Nigeria, we say bath up. Like, you need to, the kind of man that you're looking, like, everybody has standards, everybody has got standard. I know this video is trying to be, oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, let me just quickly say this. Every man has got standard, the same way every woman has got standard. Like, for me, I know my type. Everyone knows their type. You that is watching this video, you have a type. So if you're looking for a certain type, also try to be that type, be the type that your type is looking for. Does that make any sense? So yeah, just ladies, don't just be. I remember there was this lady some time ago that, my God, some women, come on now. Come on, what are we doing? Sometimes ladies will be like, oh, I'm not finding men, I'm not finding men. Sometimes you yourself, you are the reason you are not finding a man. Yeah. Um, just listen to me, listen to me. So this lady, she does not make her hair. Not like nothing. She's just there. She'll come out of the house in the morning. She'll just sit down at the front of her father's house, and then she'll just be talking. She will tie her pa, and then just sit down and be talking. All the men that are passing, they will be seeing her. They will be seeing her. She will talk, 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 talk. Oh. Then when this afternoon sun is coming, that's when she will go. Before evening again, she will come there again, sit down, the same wrapper. The man was going to work. He saw you with wrapper. That time you've not even pasted. Sometimes they have some of us who, like, when you are sleeping, things, you know what I mean? You have that one till here. You are sitting in front of your father's house with wrapper on your chest, and the man is going to work. He saw you like that. Now he's coming back. Hallelujah. You've washed your face, but you still tie the same wrapper. And then you are expecting a man to come and say hi. How is he going to say hi now? How is he going to say hi? Or some of you, those of us that are in Europe, you will go out of the house looking like you are an house help. Sometimes I do it sometimes. It's not every time that I'm really in the mood to look all sexy or nice. Sometimes, you guys, people think I like makeup. Yeah, I like makeup, but like when I go out, I don't really like wearing makeup too much when I go out. Really. I don't really like it because it's work. But then when you go out, at least be put together a little bit. Be put together a little bit. The other day I saw a lady in the train. Like, you guys, she literally raised her dress. She was sweating, like it was hot. It was hot. Though it's getting to, like, it's autumn now, but like sometimes it's also kind of hot sometimes when you when you enter the underground trains. You guys, this lady, she literally pulled her dress, raised it up, and was cleaning her face. And I'm like, sister, if your husband was to be in this train and he sees you doing this kind of thing, and she had tissue. There was the way she was like, maybe she was sick or something, I don't know, but you guys, the way she was sweating, she was like, the sweats were dropping. When it's autumn, it's not summer, it's autumn, like, but still, like I said, the underground train, you sweat. Oh, this lady, her sweats, they were dropping, like dropping, boom, 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 boom. And in my mind, I was on my phone, and then I'll look at her. I felt even uncomfortable. I'm like, sis, like, are you seeing the way your sweat is dropping? Try it. You have tissue by your side. Why don't you clean that sweat a little bit? When people are sweating so much, I don't know, but I am that kind of person that when I see people sweat too much, I don't really feel comfortable. Yeah. So I was like, take tissue and clean that. I almost wanted to offer her tissue. At the same time, I was calculating to give her tissue. You guys, she raised her dress and she did this. Her stomach, everything was showing. And I said, madam, easy. If your husband was, and the reason I kind of said that was, I saw a guy that was trying to hide, like, you could see that the guy was like looking at her. I saw the guy was just trying to hide her a little bit. You know what I mean by high? Like, he was trying to, like, look at her. And when she did that, you guys, you need to see the guy's face. The guy just looked at me like, what in the world? I just gave the guy a straight face. I didn't want to. I wanted to laugh So I just gave him a straight face. I said, no, I'm a woman, so please, what are you trying to do? But you could see the look on the guy's face, like he was so he felt like irritated. Me myself, I was like, come on now, you have tissue, just take the tissue and dab nicely. Why do you have to raise your dress? Eh? So sometimes some of us, we are the ones that are doing ourselves. Oh. So you think that it's your village people. No, sometimes it's you yourself. You are your own village people that is doing you. So, all right, I'm just going to end this video right here, you guys. Like I said, try online dating. Also, put yourself, go out, mingle, go to the library, go and read, get a book. I don't like libraries. I prefer to read in my apartment. But if you're a person that likes library, go to the library. I watched a video on TikTok where a girl was like, she specially goes to the library just to meet men. But she'll wear her glasses as if she's reading, but like she just position herself there because you never know. So if you like to go to the library, go to the library. Just go out. Don't sit in your room and be watching cartoons. Go out, okay? Alrighty, guys. We have come to the end of today's video. I love you guys. Make sure you love yourself, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching. And listen, make sure you love yourself. Love yourself, because if you don't love you, who will? Bye, guys.